To help slow the spread of coronavirus in the Western New York community, G Health Enterprises has included a contact tracing survey in all of their mobile apps for individuals who have been diagnosed with COVID-19 to confidentially and securely provide information regarding their condition and who they might have been in contact with while infected. This information goes only to G Health Enterprises and its affiliates for the purpose of reaching out to members of the community who may be at risk and assisting in them getting an appointment with their primary care physician to get tested for COVID-19. This survey is completely optional, lets you skip questions that you'd prefer not to answer, and requests your permission before our nurses reach out to anyone who may have been in contact with you while you were infected with COVID-19. All you'll need to fill out the survey is one of our mobile apps, our GBON app, our Urban Family Practice app, or our Jabaco app. These apps can be downloaded for free at the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. Open any one of these apps and navigate to the COVID-19 Contact Tracing Survey on the main page. Selecting that tile will bring you to the survey. To fill out the Contact Tracing Survey, enter your first and last name, your age, the phone number you can best be reached at, if you are currently experiencing or have previously experienced the symptoms of coronavirus, when you first started feeling the symptoms, if you've been in contact with someone diagnosed with coronavirus, your method of transportation when traveling locally in Western New York, such as riding a motorcycle, a personal bike, personal vehicle, public transit, a taxi or ride-sharing service, or another mode of transportation. Were you hospitalized while recovering from COVID-19? And if so, if you were on a ventilator? If you have any chronic medical conditions such as diabetes, asthma, COPD, hypertension, coronary artery disease, heart failure, or another chronic medical condition, please let us know how many people live in your household, and if anyone in your household is experiencing the symptoms of coronavirus. If they are, can we contact them for a nurse evaluation and possible testing? Insurance covers the cost of COVID-19 testing, and if anyone is uninsured and qualifies for Medicaid, that individual can receive assistance in getting health insurance through the GBON Health Home, an affiliate of G Health Enterprises. Providing that our nurses can contact them, please enter the contact information that'll best reach these individuals, such as a phone number or email. Once the whole form has been filled out, press the submit button and your information will be securely and confidentially sent to our nurses. As long as you granted permission for our nurses to reach the individuals that may be at risk, our nurses will be contacting them soon. If these individuals express concern about having coronavirus and wish to reach out to our nurses themselves, our nurse advice line can be reached at 716-604-0504. Individuals can also directly reach our nurses using the COVID-19 survey that's found on the homepage of our mobile apps.